Passionate action literally says, let me walk with you. Let me be on this journey with you so that we can change this world. And so that's why this compassionate action framework is so critical, is so valuable. And when we combine those with the tools that yoga gives us, the breath, the meditation, the relaxation tools, the ability just to move the body, to let that energy out. These tools are critical in terms of building.
I'm so delighted to share this morning with you. And the title, including kids with disabilities and differences, my hopes for our time together is that this will be practical, accessible, inclusive, mindful, and fun. Things that I would love for you to walk away from this time is that we don't need to cling to our methodologies so tightly. So what a shape looks like, or all of the components of a shape, are not required for someone to do asana. Doing a pranayama exactly the way that it is written in Light on Yoga, or that your teacher taught you, like, that is not a requirement.
Again, my name is Lauren Crowe, and a quick introduction about me. So my pronouns are she, her, and hers. I'm a bisexual cisgender woman and a third grade teacher. You're going to be receiving guidance on how to make your children's yoga practice inclusive to members of the LGBTQIA plus community. And also we have a checklist of things to consider when you're creating those lessons. You're going to make mistakes. I make mistakes. And the ultimate thing is to acknowledge that you're learning and growing. Our biases are not bad, but if we are acting on them and it's causing harm, then we need to figure out where they're coming from and what we can do.